Welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on SHIB. We're going to be breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective, going deep down and dirty into the charts, looking for potential trades, looking for potential price predictions for this asset, and just a general update on what I think this chart could be doing overall. Okay, so starting off with general market structure from SHIB just in general from the start of this run here. I'm going to be jumping across to the weekly here. You can see the bear market low down at around this level here. You can see higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. These are market structure higher lows that are currently valid. Unfortunately, the lowest valid point for SHIB right now, which isn't going to be favorable, guys, is actually down at around 40. So 47% retracement. Even if you retrace 47% here, you're still in a bullish market structure, which is crazy, believe it or not. You're still in a bullish market structure because that is the previous higher low point that has essentially been respected here. This does make me want to get into sort of the Fibonacci of everything, because at the moment you can see the Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high here. The higher high for this trend for SHIB, we have seen obviously quite a violent pullback, okay? And after seeing SHIB explode in a parabolic motion over the course of 2 weeks, basically banging 5x, it's near enough 5x, 4.7x on your investment there, it's completely expected. 372%, have a retracement of 60%, like, it's fine, man. It's meme coins. It's what happens here. It's just people essentially taking profit from the pump, and confidence is not yet to be restored. And essentially, the markets have been terrible. Like overall, Bitcoin's been terrible, setting new micro trend lows. General meme coin markets haven't been hot. We saw Pepe doing fairly well, all-time highs for Pepe. Not right now, but recently. But yeah, overall, the capital has been sort of flowing into other meme coins like WIF and BOEM and stuff like that. So it's not like too shocking to see SHIB at these levels right now. Do I think SHIB's over? Is it going to go to zero? No, it's not. It's very likely to actually have a move to the upside fairly soon, and we will get into as to why and as to where in specific buy zones very shortly. Okay, so going to be just talking about the Fibonacci retracement zones for a second, guys, because you can see, obviously, swing low to swing high, as just previously discussed. The key pinnacle point is this little 0.5 fella, okay? This 0.5 fella here, because he is essentially the confirmation of the reversal of the trend. And what that means is if we lose this level in terms of a level of support, that's the confirmation that you're going to see lower prices, okay? So just for reference here, if you lose 1 cent 4664, it's very likely that you actually tank down to 1 cent 1916, because the confirmation that you lose is 0.5, confirmation of the reversal of the trend, which is obviously bullish trend, reversing, confirmation of the reversal. You're going to take another leg down there, okay? Let's move on to the daily chart here. And let's see potential buying areas for this asset. Okay, so we've got the 0.5 on the edge of this trend line as well, on the edge of the lower side of this bull flag, which is looking pretty goddamn juicy. Things lining up. We love to see it here. So this would be a definite DCA sort of scenario here, or strategy for us to be using. And another point is that the volume weighted ATR band on the daily, this little green guy here, he is actually in a progressionary stance to the upside. And essentially what this means, guys, when he is progressionary, it's very likely that we see bullish momentum when we come down and tap this guy, okay? We are tapping the 12-hour at the moment, but and you can see the bounce points from the 12-hour, they're not to be underestimated. At 10% there, 10%, 5% to candle body close here. So it is, from a momentum standpoint, it's a great indication, this volume weighted ATR band on the 12-hour. We haven't touched the daily yet. So essentially this means there's potentially a move. I would be vigilant and just be cautious here for the move between the daily and the 12-hour here for around 4.23%. I think that's pretty much set in stone there. So that would be a nice long position for SHIB to be getting involved with there, and that'd be a quick in and out, make 4%. But in terms of a DCA strategy, a dollar cost average strategy, when you're buying the asset as it's declining in price to accumulate supply, this would be the buy zone in my opinion, guys. The buy zone that I'm referring to is this 0.147 because, again, Fibonacci 0.5, usually super strong here. You will have the 12-hour and the daily probably creeping down with you in a digressionary stance at that point, so there will be support there. And again, guys, this is a this is a spot entry. It's a very clean spot entry. You're not going to be leveraging the hell out of this. So basically, there's going to be a no stop loss scenario. You can let this run and go crazy. What we're doing here, we're just accumulating supply for this next juicy alt season coming through. And this is just a lovely buy area. On the basis that we lose this area, yes, you would have bought. All you do is you buy the lower levels as well. You just keep buying the dips of the dips of the dips, and when we do see it spike again, obviously never invest what you can't afford to lose and do your own research and all that good stuff. But if you've been accumulating for a significant period of time and then you see a massive spike up like this, which always happens with meme coins, guys, you're gonna be making, excuse the French, but a shit ton of money, right? It's going to be a really solid strategy there. And yeah, that's sort of the play here for a lot of meme coins and altcoins overall here. Just DCA into these dumps here. And when we do see us start to really take off again in October, those sorts of times, then we will see pretty big gains overall. Now, let's go on the basis that you buy in this area, okay? Or I buy in this area, okay? And then we basically run up to bull market all-time highs here. Obviously, the high of the bull market, not all-time highs for SHIB. That's still going to be a 3.1x on your investment, guys. Okay, so you put in $3 grand, you're going to be making $9 grand. You put in $1 grand, you're going to be making $3 grand. So yeah, it's a really nice investment strategy there overall. I think that's a really clean thing for SHIB. Obviously, spot investment as well, guys. But yeah, that is going to be it for a SHIB update. Let me know what you think of the TA. Let me know what you think of the buy zones, whether you're going to be buying in the comments section. And if you like it, drop a like on it. If you never want to miss one of our uploads, make sure you hit the notification bell, and you're never going to miss one, essentially. But yeah, that's going to be it. Peace.